it's time for Neighborly Legal Advice with Matt, and we are at the Market House Cafe here in Howland. Enjoying our, what'd you get?
Oh, regular coffee. Apparently I'm boring.
Me too. I got an iced coffee. That's what men drink. All right. We have the holidays coming up.
We do.
So I was fooling around at the house, and I found a gift card that was given to me by my aunt for Outback Steakhouse.
I thought you were going to say Ponderosa. I don't think they're around anymore.
That would have been awesome. That would have been awesome. But it was 22, and I wasn't sure if it had expired. And then I thought to myself, there are probably some rules and regulations that I don't know about. So let me ask Matt. So why don't we just start there? Give me what you know about some of the rules. Now hit you with some questions.
Well, everything expires.
It does?
Yes, gift
Which
card.
I don't think is fair if you spent good money on it.
I mean, in theory, if you wanted to sell a gift card, you owned a business, you can have it never expire if you want to. Most times, though, you're going to have expirations. And frankly, under law, there are minimums that you can put in there. So you can't have it like one day.
Okay.
I sell you a gift card today, you have to use it tomorrow.
Hurry up.
You're not allowed to have that.
Right.
Yeah. But generally, the general rules in Ohio is most cards that we deal with every day, 5 years. Okay. Minimum 5 years.
Okay.
So they can't expire within the next 5 years. Problem is, that's great. You find it in year 4, year 5.
Right.
It's fantastic.
Blooming onions until the cows come home, right?
Yeah. Except that $100 or $75 gift card after the first couple years can start to be reduced. And so you run into an issue of, while it still may be good, after that first, so basically 2 years, you are good. In most cards, you're good for 2 years. If you wait longer than 2 years, and then you keep waiting, and you keep waiting, that balance is going to start to go down because most of them are going to be allowed to charge you fees. So the longer it sits there, your balance slowly starts to go down.
And that counts for, like, if you used a gift card and there's $20 left, same thing. It doesn't have to be the full amount of the gift.
Yeah, so in most cases, you're thinking, okay, I'm in year 5. Most times, you're going to have a reduced balance regardless of what it is. If you spent half of it, great. Their big thing is, after that first 2 years, if you have another year where you don't use it. So 3 years of not using this, basically, you're going to start to go down. So if you use it, so let's say you use it 2.5 years in, that's not inactive. So you're not going to get those fees. So constantly using it is the best thing for you.
Do different states have different laws on that, or does everybody kind of follow the same thing?
Now, states can have different laws, but there is actually from the federal government, so nationwide, there are minimums. So like that 5 year, a lot of cards are 5 years because the federal government says if you're going to sell these types of gift cards, minimum 5 years.
Okay. When I get, let's say you get a shirt that doesn't fit, and you have so long, according to the store, to bring it back. Is that really the rule, or is it just their rule, or is there any law on that?
Okay, so returns are going to be based upon the store. So the store has to establish a return policy. So it can't just be, well, I do it whenever I want, but I don't tell you as the consumer. You buy something, you look at the back of the receipt.
And it should say right on there.
You're going to have
60
what is this? Yeah, 60 days, 90 days. The issue you got to run into is you really have to pay attention, and this happens more with a lot of electronic stores, is restocking fees.
Okay.
They have to disclose all this too. So it can't be, well, we're going to charge you 20%, 15% restocking fee, but you go, well, I didn't know that. They have to disclose all of it. And so that's generally at the federal government, like nationwide, those are consumer laws.
Very good. If you have a legal question for Matt, how did they get a hold of you?
You can email me, MONEST at KWGD.com, and my direct dial is 330-244-4498.
All right. Well, why don't we wrap this up and go to Outback?
Sounds good.
I got money to spend.
He's got a gift card. That's hopefully still good.
That's your neighborly legal advice for this week.